Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Now we are on chapter number 7, that is origin of transactions, source documents and preparations of vouchers. This is our chapter, on which chapter we are discussing. So till now we have completed in this chapter the source documents. What are the source documents are there in a business, and the vouchers and different type of vouchers also we have discussed. So there was two type of vouchers are there. First one is source vouchers and second one is accounting voucher. So till now we discuss about the vouchers, but today how these vouchers are prepared. Okay, so accounting vouchers is also classified into two categories. There first one is cash vouchers and second one is non-cash vouchers. Okay, so today these vouchers we will prepare how these vouchers are prepared separately. Okay, so cash voucher is also of two type, credit voucher and debit voucher. And debit voucher is that when we doing payment or when we paying cash to the other, when the cash is paid to the outsider for any of the reason. Wage is paid, we are purchasing machinery, we are purchasing goods. So many of the situation in which we have to pay cash to the outsider, so then we will prepare the debit voucher. And when we receiving the cash from the outsider, maybe debtor, from sales of goods, from sales of assets, so different things are there and different situations also there. Due to that we receive cash from the outsider, so then we prepare a credit voucher. Okay, and sometimes there is no cash transactions in business, so then we prepare a transfer voucher. Okay, so first I have written a problem which is related to the debit voucher. So first today we will discuss and we will prepare the debit vouchers related to the different situations, different transactions. So how these transactions will show in a debit voucher. Okay students, so now the question is, the following transactions took place in Messrs ACE Traders. डिफरेंट ट्रांजेक्शन्स हैं मैसर्स ACE ट्रेडर्स के यहाँ पर हैं, जो कि पटना के रहने वाले हैं एंड पटना में अपना बिजनेस चलाते हैं. प्रिपेयर द डेबिट वाउचर्स. Different transactions are these. According to these transactions, we have to prepare the debit vouchers in the books of Messrs ACE Traders. First transaction. This is the year, that is 2020, January 1st. Bought furniture from Modern Furniture Patna. This is the another business, that is Modern Furniture Patna के ही हैं ये भी businessman, and we purchase furniture from this business for rupees 7,500 against cash. White cash memo number 240. 7,500 रुपये का फर्नीचर खरीदा है, जिसमें कि कैश मेमो इनका 240. It is not a rupees, it is a cash memo number. So what the thing we have to focus? Bought furniture from Modern Furniture Patna of rupees 7,500 and the cash memo 214. These things we have to remember. Okay. In next transaction, January 8, wages paid for the month of December 2019, 3,500. Wages paid month of December 2019, it means last month. Last month salary is paid now, that is 3,500. Third, January 25, paid cash to Hari and Son. Hari and Sons, this one is also belong from Patna. Paid cash to Hari and Sons, Patna, for purchase of 2 sewing machine. 2 सिलाई मशीन उन्होंने परचेज की हैं. हरी एंड सन से, पटना के रहने वाले हैं. कैश मेमो नंबर 1230. ओके, दिस मशीन इज ऑल्सो परचेज इन कैश, द रुपीज़ ऑफ 2,500. नेक्स्ट, January 27, paid for postage stamp 200 rupees. This transaction is also in cash. So all transactions are done in cash. So according to that, we have to prepare the debit voucher. Okay students, so first we have need to prepare the format of debit voucher, and then we will mention the things and placing the informations according to the voucher. What the informations we have to fill at which place in the voucher. Okay, let's see the format. Student, before preparing the format, complete format, so we should prepare this column, and this column is divided into 4 parts. First one is this one, it is a left side, totally it is prepare in the left side. It is a vertically column, and 3 horizontal columns we have to prepare. These are the rows. Okay, 3 rows we have to prepare. Okay, so and what the thing we have to mention in a particular row. So at the top of the first row there is the name of business in which we are preparing the voucher. Okay, which business is preparing the voucher? So Messrs ACE Traders. Okay, then we have to show the address from which place this business is belong. As we can see, this is the modern trade from belong Messrs ACE Traders belong from Patna. ACE Traders from Patna. So we can write a complete address also. It is okay. And then at the left side, voucher number. We have taken this voucher as a first number. Sequentially we can see. So we are solving the first situation, so that's why we have given the voucher first. Okay, and right side we have to mention the date. In which date this voucher was prepared. So it prepared on 1st January 2020. It's okay. And then under the date we have to mention amount. It's clear. And then this amount in the second row we divide this row into 2 parts. First one is small, that is for amount, and this is for particular. Okay, so here this is the debit. Why it is debit? Okay, when we preparing the debit voucher, so then we have to show debit here. Okay, when we prepare the credit voucher, then we have to show credit over. Why it is so? Because this debit is tell us which account is debited against cash. हमने कैश रिसीव किया है, बट किसके अगेंस्ट में हमने रिसीव किया है? फर्नीचर के अगेंस्ट में, बिकॉज वी परचेज फर्नीचर ऑन 1st January. सो फर्नीचर अकाउंट विल डेबिट. Furniture account. So debit, it is debit furniture account. The amount of rupees 7,500 and 7,500 will show in a amount column. That is clear. And then there is a brief descriptions about these transactions. So being, this narration is started with the words of being. Being the furniture purchased against cash memo. So we have to show the cash memo number. Okay, cash memo number is, in this transaction, cash memo is 240. So cash memo number we have to show. Okay, now the particular in this row, the amount column, total amount column or total amount we have to show at the bottom. Is it clear? Particular and amount total. If the more than one account are debiting here, so then we have to show all the accounts. For we purchase furniture and we purchase for one machine, so then furniture account and machine account, and the amount is written over here, and the total of that amount we have to show at the bottom of amount column. It is clear. And after that, this column is completed, and now at the bottom of this, SD signed by the person who prepared this as a accountant. Okay, this is signed by that person who prepared this. And in this side, the authority person who's authorized for to prepare the debit voucher. Okay, so signed by manager or any director who's there. It is completed, and in this column we will show the received rupees, what the rupees we received, okay, against that, and the revenue stamp. So I am preparing this one. There is one small column, one small box over here. It is for this small column, it is for revenue stamp, and this is for received rupees. Okay, here we have to mention the rupees, what the rupees we receive, and it is for revenue stamp. It is clear, students? So it is our complete debit voucher. So similarly, three more transactions we have, three more transactions we have to prepare the debit voucher. Okay, students, so now you can prepare for these three also by yourself, and I will uh, prepare the credit voucher. How the credit voucher is prepared according to the transaction. Okay, students, so let's see the credit voucher. Student, before starting the credit voucher, so one thing we have to remember. So I have prepared only the one voucher number one, according to the transaction first. So according to transaction second, transaction third, and transaction four, for these three transactions you have to prepare debit voucher by yourself. So only what the change will be there in other three vouchers. So this will same, the voucher number will 2 if we prepare for the second, date will change according to this, amount is changed according to the transaction, but debit account number is changed. What the account number will come here in against of furniture account, wages account, because we are paying amount against the wages, and then narration we will show being the wages paid for December 2019, and the amount will comes here 3500, and then total, and both the things will remain same, and this column will remain same, no changes will be there. Only the things, date will change and the account will change, and according to this account the narration will come. Okay, it is not compulsory in every transaction cash memo number will be mentioned. Okay, so according to the transaction we have to prepare three vouchers also in this question. Now we having a problem related to the credit voucher. Okay, students, I have written four transactions, but we will prepare only one credit voucher. Okay, for the first transaction or any one of, and rest of the transaction you will do by yourself. So prepare credit vouchers from the following informations collected from supporting vouchers of Messrs Gupta Leather Stores, Agra, UP. Messrs Gupta लेदर का इनका बिजनेस है, लेदर स्टोर्स है आगरा के अंदर, यूपी. Okay, this is the city and it is a state, and the name of the business is this, and credit voucher we have to prepare. According to first transaction on January 5th, received cash rupees 10,000 from Messrs Mohan and Company on account. White cash receipt number 351. We can say this is the cash memo or cash receipt number, that is 351. 10,000 we received from Messrs Mohan and Company. Received cash 10,000 from Messrs Mohan and Company, and the cash receipt number is 351. These things we have to remember to prepare the credit voucher. So student, let's see the format of credit voucher, and then we are going to prepare that. Let's see. Students, we having this format for the credit voucher. There is one difference from the debit voucher. In debit voucher, one column we prepare over in the left side, where we show the received amount and the revenue stamp, but in this only three row we have in this particular format. The first row white, width is more than the middle and middle is more than the last one. ओके तो ये जो हमारा फर्स्ट रो है इसकी जो विड्थ है ये हमें ज़्यादा रखनी है कंपैरिजन टू बोथ दिस, एंड इसकी विड्थ हमें कुछ और ज़्यादा रखनी है कंपैरिजन टू लास्ट वन. ओके बट टॉप से कम रखनी है, बट इट कैन बी एक्सटेंड okay according to the situation or transaction. So now where we are preparing this voucher, so we have to show the name, that is Messrs Gupta Leather Stores. Basically this name is mentioned in a capital letter. Okay, and here we have to show the complete address of this business. Okay, the address of business, then it is mentioned only Agra UP, so I have mentioned only the Agra UP. Okay, and then on the left side it is similar as debit voucher, so voucher number, we are preparing for the first transaction, so that's why we are preparing voucher number 1. And right side first we have to show the date, in which date the transaction is having, on January 5th. Okay, January 5th 05/01/2020 year. Okay, and similarly amount, and then this column is also separated for column. Okay, and now again we have to show here which account will credit, for which we are receiving the amount, from which we are receiving the amount. Okay, that account will credit this side. So which account is credited? Receive cash 10,000 from Messrs Mohan and Company, so Messrs Mohan and Company will credit. Okay, so Messrs Mohan and Company will credit for 10,000 rupees. Narration: being cash received from Messrs Mohan and Company, while cash receipt number 300, receipt number is 351, and the bracket is closed. Bracket is started from here and now the bracket is closed here, and the total amount we have to show at the bottom, that is 10,000. Okay, and now once again signed by who's preparing? Accountant, and signed by, on the left side the authorities, there is manager. This is the credit voucher. Okay students, so both the vouchers we learned to prepare, and for the rest of the transaction in this problem also there are 3 more transactions. For that you have to prepare the credit voucher. So 3 vouchers you have to prepare for the debit voucher and 3 voucher you have to prepare for the credit voucher. Okay, one more voucher is still left, that is transfer voucher. So students, we are going to learn the and how to prepare the transfer voucher. Okay students, let's see the problem related to the transfer voucher. Students, related to the transfer voucher or accounting voucher, we have this information in this format. So related to this, we have to prepare the transfer voucher. Okay, how the transfer voucher will prepare according to this information, who is the seller, who is the purchaser, and what account will debit and what account will credit. So according to this, we have to confirm and we have to understand, then we have to prepare the transfer voucher. So student, what the informations are given in this problem? Prepare the accounting voucher from the following supporting voucher. It is a supporting voucher where the transactions, amount, informations, quantity, from where we are purchasing, who are selling, who's preparing the this voucher. So from this voucher we have to prepare the transfer voucher. So राम रतन एंड सन्स, अगर यहाँ पर किसी का नाम लिखा है तो इट मीन्स दैट इज़ द पर्सन हु इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग दिस वाउचर. इज इट क्लियर? क्या उस कंपनी के यहाँ पर ये वाउचर बन रहा है. सो राम रतन एंड सन्स, दिस इज़ द कंपनी हु इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग दिस वाउचर. एंड लेफ्ट साइड आते हैं सेल्स बिल नंबर 1215. दिस इज़ द सेल्स बिल नंबर. इट मीन्स ये इस कंपनी ने जो ये वाउचर बनाया है ये सेल से रिलेटेड बनाया है, बिकॉज द सेल्स बिल नंबर इज गिवन ऑन दैट. नेक्स्ट नेम इज मैसर्स मुरारी लाल एंड सन्स. तो इट मीन्स इस पर्सन को ये सेल किया गया है. ओके, दिस बिजनेस हैज़ परचेज फ्रॉम दिस वन. तो इट मीन्स इन्होंने सेल किया है इसको और इन्होंने परचेज किया है इससे. इज इट क्लियर? क्या सेल्स किया, क्या परचेज़ किया, अभी आगे देखते हैं. डेट यहाँ पे मेंशन है 10/4/2020 को ये ट्रांजैक्शन हुई है यहाँ पर बिजनेस में. क्वांटिटी 20 पर्टिकुलर क्रिकेट बॉल्स हैं, 20 क्रिकेट बॉल्स हैं, जो कि रेट पर यूनिट दे रखा है, जो कि एक बॉल 100 रुपये की है. तो टोटल अमाउंट 2000 रुपीज़ हो जाएगा इन 20 बॉल्स के लिए. एंड 10 फुल साइज़ बैट जो है वो 2000 का एक है, तो 20,000 के बैट्स हो जाएंगे. टोटल अमाउंट 22,000. एंड साइंड बाय राम रतन एंड सन्स हु प्रिपेयरिंग. अकाउंटेंट नहीं करेगा यहाँ पे अब राम रतन एंड सन्स की स्टैम्प होगी और वो यहाँ पर साइन करेगा. ओके, अपने साइन करेंगे यहाँ पर. देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द ट्रांसफ़र वाउचर. सो first of all, who's preparing the voucher? So voucher is prepared by the Ram Ratan and Sons. So at the top we show the name of Ram Ratan and Sons. Okay, address, the complete address is given. So this complete address we will mention here: 32 Industrial Area, Meerut, UP. Okay, this is the complete address we have to mention here. And then in the left side it is voucher number. One transaction we have, so we are mentioning the voucher number 1. And at this side there is date. The date is similar, 10th April 2020. And then amount, it is similar to both the voucher, debit and credit voucher. And now this part is separated from row number 2nd and 3rd. Okay, now in the second row debit, which account will debit, and in third row credit, which account we have to do the credit. Both the things we have to mention. If we are selling to a person on credit, so then that person will debit in the books of our business, and for which that person is debited, so that account we have to show in the credit. So who's debiting here? To whom we are selling? किसको सेल कर रहे हैं हम? मैसर्स मुरारी लाल एंड सन्स. सो मैसर्स मुरारी लाल एंड सन्स will debit for which amount? The total amount, that is 22,000. So 22,000 amount से ये डेबिट हो जाएगा, एंड द टोटल डेबिट अमाउंट you have to show here. It is clear. And similarly credit, what is crediting? Sales account, because we are selling goods to the मैसेस मुरारी लाल एंड सन्स. यहाँ पर हम क्रिकेट बॉल्स या फुल साइज बैट भी लिख सकते थे, लेकिन अगर हम इस कमोडिटी में बिजनेस नहीं कर रहे होते, अगर हम इस कमोडिटी में बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो देन वी हैव टू शो सेल्स. सो नरेशन, दैट इज बीइंग द अमाउंट of credit sales. क्रेडिट सेल्स हुई है बाय किसके अगेंस्ट में? बिल नंबर, द बिल नंबर इज 1215. सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट हुआ है, ओके, किसके अगेंस्ट में? बिल नंबर 1215. सो 22,000 sales account credited by 22,000, and the total amount in credit side, that is 22,000 we have to mention. And now here is signed by who's preparing, that is accountant, and in this side signed by the authority person, that is manager. This is the transfer voucher. Okay, in transfer voucher debit and credit